Hello, thank you for joining us for another virtual dose of vitamin Z, where we bring the Detroit Zoo to you. My name is Zahraa. I'm an education specialist at the Detroit Zoological Society, where we celebrate and save wildlife every day. Today, I want to talk to you about an animal that's not afraid to stand out. In fact, that's exactly how that animal protects itself. I'm talking about the Mantellas, who come from Madagascar. These animals live in Madagascar, and this is where all 16 species of Mantellas are found. Mantellas are very small. They're between 1 to 2 inches long. That's about the size of a quarter or a paper clip. Like other amphibians, they go through a life cycle process where they start off as small, squishy eggs. Female frogs wait for rain and place their eggs on damp leaves near water. Male Mantellas watch the eggs until they hatch. The tiny tadpoles wash away into the rain into small pools of water where they'll grow over the next few weeks. As they're growing, they are changing from tadpole to froglets, the in-between life stage between the adult frogs when they are about the size of a dime. They are losing their tails and gaining their legs. Their lungs are growing and will help them breathe on land instead of the water. They're losing their gills. This is important because frogs spend most of their time on land, near trees, and not in water, so they need to be able to breathe on land. The tadpoles are going through a metamorphosis, which is a big change some animals go through to go from one life stage to another. While most frogs are nocturnal and come out at night, these frogs are diurnal and come out in the day. Their bright colors are best seen during the day. The bright, bold colors are an adaptation that warn would-be predators of how poisonous Mantellas can be to them. At night, their colors wouldn't be as visible and would not protect them the way they should. Mantellas get their toxins from the food they eat, the insects like ants, termites, and fruit flies. They aren't so dangerous that they kill predators, but they have enough toxins to either not taste very good to predators or enough to make them sick so that they don't come near them again. Despite their excellent defense against predators like other frogs, human actions have hurt Mantella populations. Humans have the ability to affect the toxicity of Mantella frogs. This is because human activity decreases the amount of food choices Mantella frogs have, meaning fewer sources of toxins are available. This puts them in danger as predators begin to realize that they don't taste that bad and they can be eaten. Remember, Mantellas are active during the day and they're brightly colored. They can't hide from their predators, so their poison is their best defense. As their poison decreases, their bright colors make them more likely to be found. Like many other amphibians, Mantella populations are declining. Let's get to know the 6 species of Mantella frogs found here at the Detroit Zoo. Golden Mantellas are brightly colored orange. They're critically endangered because of the pet trade, among other things. Splendid Mantellas are called beautiful Mantellas. They're mostly black with some yellowish-green patches on the sides of each leg. They also have these random light blue patches on their bellies. Sometimes the color appears iridescent or shiny. Bernard's Mantella is all black. Their upper portion of their legs are yellowish to orange in color, and all their lower legs are brownish, with rear legs having faint stripes. Arboreal Mantellas have an upper portion in the back that is bright green in color. Their toes and their toe tips are speckled with flakes of light blue. You can see in this picture very clearly that their toes are not webbed. So Mantellas don't have webbed toes like many other frog species do, because they spend a lot of time on land. Green Mantellas have yellowish-green bodies. They also have a black mask that runs from the tip of their nose to their front legs, and a white stripe that runs from under their eyes to the front leg. And this is a newly metamorphosized green Mantella, and you can see that it starts off as bronze. The bronze stays on the legs, and then it starts to develop that yellow-green color right on top. Basilio Mantellas are very hard to find. They like to hang out behind that, so they're very hard to spot. So it's always a good time when you're at the zoo and you can spot one of those Basilio Mantellas.